Welcome back, photography enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of portrait photography and highlighting the top 3 portrait lenses of 2024. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your journey, these lenses will help you capture stunning portraits. Let's jump right in. Our first choice for this topic is Sony FE 85mm f1.4G Master. This is a premier portrait lens beloved by photographers for its exceptional sharpness and beautiful bokeh. With a wide f1.4 aperture, it performs brilliantly in low-light conditions, allowing for stunning subject isolation and creamy background blur. The lens features advanced optics, including extreme aspherical elements, which minimize aberrations and enhance image quality across the frame. Its robust construction, combined with weather sealing, makes it suitable for various shooting environments. Whether capturing intimate portraits or dynamic candid shots, the Sony FE 85mm f1.4G Master is an outstanding choice for both professionals and enthusiasts alike. Our second choice for this topic is Canon RF 85mm f1.2L USM. It is an exceptional portrait lens designed to deliver stunning image quality and beautiful bokeh, making it a top choice for serious photographers. With a fast f1.2 maximum aperture, this lens excels in low-light situations and allows for exquisite subject isolation, creating a smooth, creamy background that enhances portraiture. Its advanced optical construction minimizes aberrations and maximizes sharpness, ensuring that images are crisp and clear even at wide apertures. The lens features Canon's ultrasonic motor for fast and silent autofocus, making it ideal for capturing candid moments without disturbing subjects. Built with durability in mind, the RF 85mm f1.2L is also weather-sealed, providing reliability in various shooting conditions. Overall, this lens combines professional-grade performance with versatility, making it a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their portrait photography. Our final choice for this topic is Nikon's Z135mm f1.8S Plana. Designed for portrait and event photography, offering stunning optical performance and versatility. With its fast f1.8 aperture, it excels in low-light situations while providing beautiful subject isolation and a creamy bokeh that enhances the overall aesthetic of portraits. The lens features advanced lens elements and Nikon's nano crystal coat, which significantly reduces flare and ghosting for sharp, contrast-rich images. Its robust build quality, including weather sealing, ensures durability in various shooting conditions. It is perfect for photographers seeking a high-quality lens that delivers exceptional detail and clarity in every shot. And there you have it, our top 3 portrait lenses of 2024. Each of these lenses offers unique strengths that can help you create breathtaking portraits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more photography tips and gear reviews. Happy shooting!